still at 6, 77 for 5. Just 4 runs ahead of the Camilla Victorians. Lost 1 wicket less. That might be a little bit of an advantage, but David Warner knows that anything can happen. Another wicket, and the cat will be amongst the pigeons. Whips it away. Thinks of a second run. Going for it. Here comes the throw. And it's not accurate, and they make it quite safely.
Things getting a little sticky for Camilla Victorians as the bowlers have been able to slow them down a bit. I'm particularly impressed with the efforts of Alameen and Taskeen Ahmed, both of whom will be keenly watched and monitored by the think tanks. The 2 bowlers who will be in the scheme of things during the World Cup.
Bowling! That's the googly. Was playing for the one to turn away that held its line. It was more like a flipper than a googly, and held its line and hit timber. The off stump root uprooted, and lamichanne gets his second.
That was a brilliant delivery, and he just couldn't resist. Went for that big heave through mid-wicket. Beautiful delivery there by lamichanne as Anamul Haq walks back. Camilla Victorians 83 for 5.
This is getting more and more interesting. 83 for 5. They're almost even Stevens at this point. Aim could go either way. The pendulum swinging to and fro. This is the reason for the new batter to come in, as it's a wild swing by Anamul Haq. The ball keeping a shade low, holding its line. The flipper, not really the googly. And whoa! Almost another one. He's enjoying his bowling at the moment. Shahid Afridi, the new batsman, didn't know very much about that.
Exciting prospect. This young man who's enjoying every bit of his stint here.
That's the one that went on with the arm. This has been marvellous bowling by lamichanne, and he should know something about the art of leg spin. Shahid Afridi, the right-handed batsman for the Camilla Victorians, has been there all over the world. 3,982 runs in his T20 career. He can take any bowling apart. Sure, he's going to pay a little more respect to the youngster who's bowling exceedingly well here.
And he's really put the Camilla Victorians on the back foot. Some intelligent bowling and making runs hard to get. Victorians need 45 of 31 balls. Not the easiest of target now.
That came back in once again. Brilliant over completed by lamichanne. After 15, it's 83 for 5.
Bowler who can defend 9 runs is the bowler called Rashid Khan, the #1 bowler in T20 International in ICC ranking, world's best bowler. But Bangladesh have got themselves into a good momentum. Don't forget that.
Down the wicket in the air. Gone! He's gone! Mushfiqur Rahim finds the man in the deep. He's gone for one of his favorite shots, the slog sweep over mid-wicket. He's distraught. The 2 batsmen cross, but Mushfiqur Rahim with all the momentum.
Well, I said that before the start of the over, only one man can defend those 9 runs, and he's done that beautifully. First delivery, and has picked up the danger man Mushfiqur Rahim, who picked up 5 boundaries in the previous over. Hit in the air, you get out. That's exactly what has happened.
Mahmudullah on strike, they crossed. It's on the pads, and it's a leg bye. New man at the crease. And that was off the bat.
And that's his first match of the series, Ariful Haq. Usually plays in the lower order in the BPL, and he can score runs quickly. They need 8 or 4 balls
Who does he play for? Hangs his head. Oh my goodness, bottom edge. Does this run away? Man gives chase. They're looking for three. It's not on. What a cliffhanger. Over. I must remind you at home, there is the opportunity of a super over. 6 runs off 3 balls. It's on. Finds an edge. It's 1. 5 off 2. Need a big one here, Mamadullah.
Yeah, what's good for Bangladesh is that he is now on strike. He's picked up a single and given back the strike to Mahmudullah, who's been batting for a while. 44 of 37. Inside the circle. There are 2 cover. Wideish one on the offside, inside the circle, and the rest on the boundary ropes.
Must remind everybody at home, the men behind the wicket are very fine, so he's going to be bowling this as quick as possible and at the stumps. Big shot in the deep, looking for 2, and that's just 1. The young man is on strike.
Great delivery, great over, turning out to be a fantastic over. Just a single. They need a boundary to win the match. The man on strike is...
There we go, it's all set up. 4 of 1. Big shot, down the ground. 6. Oh my goodness! Oh my word, what a piece of fielding! They're making it, they're looking for 3, it comes in! Afghanistan win!